Unlocking the secrets of painting workshop in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, painting workshop. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive in and discover the various aspects of this phrase together. Painting workshop refers to two main concepts. Firstly, the word painting is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it means a piece of art created using paint. As a verb, it refers to the action of applying paint to a surface. Secondly, a workshop is a place where people engage in manual work or gain practical experience and knowledge in a particular field. So, a painting workshop can be a place where people learn to paint, or it can be a session or class focused on teaching painting skills. Understanding the context where painting workshop is used is crucial. It can be found in various settings. 1. Educational context. In schools or colleges, a painting workshop might be part of an art course. 2. Recreational setting. Art studios or community centers often host painting workshops for people of all ages as a leisure activity. 3. Professional development. Artists may attend advanced workshops to hone their skills. Each context changes the meaning slightly but always revolves around learning and practicing the art of painting. Painting workshops aren't just about painting. They're a blend of culture, social interaction, and creativity. They often serve as a gathering for people to express themselves, learn new skills, and appreciate art. In many cultures, these workshops are a testament to the importance of art in society. Let's look at some common phrases. 1. I attended a painting workshop last weekend. 2. The gallery is offering a series of painting workshops. 3. She's conducting a painting workshop for beginners. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in everyday English. And that wraps up our exploration of painting workshop. We hope this video not only enriched your vocabulary but also painted a clearer picture of this fascinating phrase. Remember, language learning is an art, and every new phrase you learn adds color to your linguistic palette. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.